What's up, y'all? Today, I got my guys with me. I got Creed right here. What up, what up? Been working real hard getting it. And I got Mike behind the camera.
What's up, fellas?
So, if you're looking for something to really test your endurance, one of the best things, in my opinion, with the stop and go, the breaking of momentum, is the fitness pacer test. Other words called the beat test. So how it works is it's 20 yards. We're gonna do 20 yards today since we're on the turf, but it's technically 20 meters, it's close enough. But you run back and forth from the 20 to the goal line to the 20. As you do it, every time the music changes, the tempo builds up. So you really wanna take your time in the beginning. Don't start off too fast, right?
Right, nah. Take your time with it and get your nice little pace. And once you do that, then the beat will go faster, and then you get it faster, and you'll be all right.
Yeah, you start too fast, you're gonna burn out. So trust me, it's gonna look real easy. It's a lot harder than it looks. You're gonna wanna start out real slow and build yourself up. You don't have to, I looked up the rules, you don't have to get your whole body across the line. As long as you touch one foot on the line and go, you're good. So I'm gonna try to get anything triple digits, 100. I'm gonna shoot for 100 and up. It's gonna be my goal. Creed, you're gonna try to get
55.
55 and up for Creed. Mike, what you shooting for?
65 and better.
65 and up. So let's see what happens. We're gonna get it in today. This is gonna be the first aspect of our workout. We'll probably do some more filming later to show you what we do for our full workout, but we'll just start with this one right now. All right, y'all. Mike just hit 40. Mike just hit 40. 65 is the goal. He's on his way. He's on his way, baby. There we go. Nice pace. Nice pace. 44, baby. Through the fire.
45. 46. And 47.
Strong, Mike. Be strong.
48.
Be strong, baby. Be strong.
50.
Nice work. Nice work.
51.
Come on.
52.
Come on, Mike.
53. 54. 55. 56.
Let's go. Let's go.
57. 58.
Come on.
59. 60. 61.
Next level.
62.
3 more.
63.
A little quicker, just a little quicker. Nice. Come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Touch. Nice. Let's go. Come on. Strong. Hey, just wanted to give you guys a quick disclosure, then we'll get right back. Just wanted to let you know that this is probably, I would probably say our 4th time doing the pacer fitness test. And this whole time that we've been doing the test, we've been doing 20 meters, or 20 yards in other words, using the 15-meter pacer video. So basically we've been doing an extra 5 yards without even realizing it. I mean, it's good for us because the next time we do it, we'll use the 20-meter video, and it's going to be it's going to be a little easier. But just wanted to give you guys that heads up. Also, we weren't able to record Creed. Security came and made us move the car off the field, which I had an idea that might happen. It just happened at the wrong time. It was right during the middle of his workout, so we weren't able to record his process. So the next time we do the run, it'll be with the correct video, and we'll probably all three do it at the same time. That way you'll get to see Creed, Mike, and myself, run it with no interruptions or no problems or anything like that. So, but anyways, subscribe, smash the like button, and let's get back to the video.
Stage aerobic capacity test that progressively gets more difficult as it continues. The 20-meter pacer test will begin in 30 seconds. Line up at the start. The running speed starts slowly, but gets faster each minute after you hear this signal. A single lap should be completed each time you hear this sound. Remember to run in a straight line, and run as long as possible. The second time you fail to complete a lap before the sound, your test is over. The test will begin on the word start. On your mark, get ready, start. 36. 37. 38. 39. 40. 41. End of level 5. 42. 43. 44. 45. 46. 47. 48. 49. 50.
How we looking, Mike? Perfect.
51. End of level 6. 52. 53. 54. 55. 56. 57. 58. 59. 60. 61. 63. 64. 65. 66. 67. 68. 69. 70. 71. 72. End of level 8.
Yeah. Next level.
73. 74. 75. 76. 77. 78. 79. 80. 81. 82. 83. End of level 9. 84. 85. 86. 87. 88. 89. 90. 91. 92. 93. 94. End of level 10. 95. 96. 97. 98. 99. 100. 101. 102. 103. 104. 105. 106.
Next level. Come on.
107. 108. 110.
All right, so that's going to be a wrap on today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. It's just something to keep in mind. You know, if your daily routine or, you know, your workout doesn't make you at least a little bit nervous, find a new routine. Comfort kills. Let's get it.